मैं जावेद हुसैन, इंडिया न्यूज़, दिल्ली।
Now viewers, in the latest, BJP's Karnail Singh, the richest candidate with declared assets of 259 crore rupees, also emerged victorious in Shakarpur Basti, who defeated the opponent by a margin of 21,000 votes. He will also be the wealthiest MLA in the New Delhi Assembly constituency. The name of Karnail Singh is also considered to be very strong, who is very close to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat and is also a personal friend of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The work of bringing Karnail Singh from America to Delhi and making him contest the election was also done by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Karnail Singh has earlier been the president of the US BJP and has also been the president of overseas BJP. Since 2014, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has taken Karnail Singh along with him in all his US visit. Mehndi Garg, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast. Mehndi, now Karnail Singh, who is one of the richest, in fact, who's the only richest candidate of the BJP and in the declared assets for fighting the Delhi Assembly election polls, is also one of the top contenders for the formula on which the BJP is working to form the government in the national capital.
Well, indeed, Simran, the formula that BJP is working on right now is the one CM and two deputy CM. So in that, various names are being considered by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and in that, another influential name is Karnail Singh, who is, yes, one of the most richest, we can say, only richest candidate who contested in these assembly polls, and he is also, according to the sources, closely associated with RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, and it's also, called to be a personal friend of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So yes, it was Prime Minister Modi himself who brought Karnail Singh from the US to contest elections in Delhi, and previously also, Karnail Singh served as the president of US BJP and also overseas BJP. So from, since 2014, Prime Minister Modi takes Karnail Singh with him to all his US visits as well. So, the formula that BJP is working on is the one CM and two deputy CM, and in that formula, Karnail Singh is also being discussed between the party leaders, between all the, leaders that are responsible for taking the final decision. So this is a very influential candidate, we can say, and a very important candidate also in the race of becoming chief minister and also the deputy chief ministers. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, thank you very much for sharing these details. Now, viewers, on that note, that was all the news of the nation and the world. We'll continue to track all the developments very closely. Stay with us.
सर ने जो टर्म लाइफ इंश्योरेंस की पॉलिसी ली थी उसका क्लेम अप्रूव हो गया है, 2 करोड़ रुपए आपके